Yes, good morning. Welcome to the end of the week. Today is Friday, 27th of March. Yes, we just recapping on what is expected to happen, on what actually is apparently happening. So let's go straight to the DXY. Let's start off with the DXY. Then we're gonna go and look at the GU EU so that we could see what we can possibly have throughout the day. So DXY, like I said yesterday, when you look at the setup that we had during this week, right from the beginning of the week, and DXY, yeah, this was uh, uh, an area of the bearish fair value gap, which came to be inversed. So it happened to be, it turned to be an inversion fair value gap. Let me just mark it as an IFVG. Yeah, it happened to be an inversion fair value gap. Like we said, when a fair value gap, like we had a bearish fair value gap, which we were expecting, which I was expecting to push price, reject price towards the downward side. When it failed, it became an inversion. So for people who are swinging, like entries can be made right on H4 or H1. Yes. So they always put in their entry, their positions, the buy limits at the opening of the what? The inversion and the fair value and the what? And the what? Stop loss below the candle, which closes the fair value gap towards the upside. Yes. And this was supposed to be 2R. Yes. So basically, for me, I didn't want to do that because the stop loss would be so wide. So for me, according to the inversion that we had, we're expecting buys, definitely. And you could see price used the inversion. It retested the same inversion, then it continued up. So nevertheless, for me, I just wanted to go down to 15 time frame to see that at least I make sure that I do what we called the refined entries. So on 15, we clearly see that this 15, this DXY is set up. Though we turned bullish from bearish, we could see that we managed to have a choke. We managed to have a choke. This was the choke area on 15. This one. This was the choke area on 15. And these were just breaks of structure. As you see, this was a choke because this was the last break of structure to the downside. You can see we are on 15. Last break of structure to the downside. Then we got a shift of market structure, which was a choke. First retested and bought within this area of support, gave us a break of structure. So the trade shifted. Even on 15 it shows, but I've been eyeing this trend on 15 and I've been marking all my areas of inducement and areas of liquidity. So I'm expecting DXY, that was what I was expecting, to come back to give me an entry as it retraces towards this area of discount, which is demand on 15 minutes. So this is what I've been waiting for. When you look at it on 1 hour, maybe you can just see it. So I'm clearly waiting for this. I'm clearly waiting for the pullback. It can happen today or Monday, I don't know. Pullback towards this area of demand to say that I can actually start longing the DXY. This is my setup. This is how I'm hoping for the market to play out. Yes, concerning DXY, because I'm still looking for proper entries. So all this liquidity, this internal range liquidity, all these are low resistance, as you can see internally. I'm hoping for price to first come and sweep them out, take all this liquidity out, taps this 15 minutes area of demand, then price will literally continue up. So same happenings are occurring on Euro USD, same happenings. You could see I'm waiting for this inducement to be taken out. Yes, because my area of supply, as we say on H4, we inverse this bullish fair value gap, and on H4, when we got the inversion, price gave us an order flow leg with a valid fair value gap. You can say bullish fair value, a bearish fair value gap in between. This is a bearish fair value gap, which I'm marking with these lines. So this is the order flow leg. So I'm hoping to look for sales to the downside, and I'll be attacking all these low resistance, these lows toward the downside. So I'm still hoping for price to fast go back to these areas of premium. Since I'm having my order flow leg on H4, break of structure fair value gap, I'm hoping to see price actually mitigates back to the area of supply. So this is what I'm having on 1 hour. On 1 hour, I'm having areas that I've marked. You know, since price was dropping, as you can see, the liquidity which it was engineering. So I'm hoping for inducement to be taken out. All this liquidity internally has to be taken out, as you could see. So this is what I'm hoping to see. I'm hoping to see inducement being taken out, and all this internal range liquidity and this areas of 15 minutes supply being tapped, so that I can see that I can sell, because there's no way I'm gonna sell around this, because this is an area of what, yeah, discount is too low, it's even below 50%. Let price actually go back towards above 50%. That's the premium area, so that we say that we sell it. Yes, so Gbpusd is the same as EURUSD, still waiting for the same setup. So the first inducement was taken out. This is just liquidity. So basically, this is what I'm hoping to see. Same applies to EURUSD. I'm hoping to see all this liquidity to be taken out, internal range liquidity. Yes, because when you look at 15 minutes, even on 1 hour, it signifies this is a refined area of supply on 15 minutes. But on 1 hour, it shows you clearly this is the only valid order block we have. A valid order block, it took liquidity. It's actually, you can say that it's a protected eye, took liquidity and it broke structure, and it has an imbalance. So we should wait for price to mitigate this area. Yes, of H1 or 15. This is a refined, the 15 is a refined area of H1. So it can happen today, or it can still happen on Monday, but I think I'll be waiting to see what happens. Yes, I won't take this counter. Yeah, I would literally wait for the shorts to come in play. But there are some pairs that I'm waiting to. Gold, it left me. I thought maybe I could take it. Gold left me, as you could see. Yes, on gold I had H4 area of demand, the displacement which took place, stopped. Then yeah, I'm not chasing any trend, but still we could see gold is likely to buy. But there's some crosses that I'm waiting for. There's some crosses I'm waiting for. The JPY crosses to buy, I'm waiting for. Chef JPY, yeah, and I'm waiting for also AUD NZD, yeah, it's also a pair that I'm waiting for. I've been also eyeing Euro GBP. Yes, so yeah, I'll literally wait for setups, but this week I didn't take any setup except Bitcoin and Ethereum, which stopped me out on the break even. So this is what I had for today. Yes, still waiting for entries, shorts, Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP USD, with the indicator of the XY to show me. Have a blessed Friday.